Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this very simple bonnet for your little one. This bonnet is for 6 to 12 months and is made using a reverse blanket stitch. For this project, I will use the yarn from Candy Floss. This is unlabeled yarn and not yet available in her shop, but Jelly said it will be available soon, so let us just wait. Now let us take a close-up look. It is like a combed cotton with a mix of, I'm not sure if this is some mohair, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not a pro when it comes to yarn. So this yarn is soft but still durable, and it's perfect for sturdy and delicate projects. By the way, this is a preview because I bought cotton yarns on their Shopee shop for my upcoming projects. I will put the link on her shop on the description down below if you also want to purchase a premium quality cotton yarn. And for the hook, I will use 3.5mm hook. This is Pony brand. I will also put the link on the description box. Now let's begin our project. First, make a slip knot. Then chain 72. If you will use a different yarn, make sure you create a chain that is multiple of 4 and the length is 14 inches. For row 1, work 2 double crochet into the third chain from the hook. Chain 2, single crochet into the next chain, skip 2 chains, then 2 double crochet into the next chain. Chain 2, then single crochet into the next chain. You should have something that look like this. Again, skip 2 chains, 2 double crochet into the next chain, chain 2, single crochet into the next chain. Now you will start seeing a little tiny waves form. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the last chain. Chain 2 and turn your work. For row 2, we are gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and single crochet stitch in this chain space right here. Now work 2 double crochet into the chain space, chain 2, single crochet into the chain space, again 2 double crochet into the chain space, chain 2, then 1 single crochet into the chain space. Continue repeating the pattern until you reach the last chain space. Chain 2 and turn your work. Then repeat row 2 until you reach row 18 or until the width of your work measures 6.5 inches. For joining part, fold in half and we will sew the first row. This will be the back of our bonnet. Put them together and work in the other side of the chain. To secure the yarn, make a triple knot. Do the same into the other side. So this is the back. Now turn your bonnet inside out. For the strap, chain 161 or your desired length for the strap. Now slip stitch into the second chain from your hook, then continue slip stitch until you reach the last chain. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Then double knot to secure. Now insert the strap into the spaces. And now you are done with your Pixie bonnet. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you want additional sizes, pattern will be available soon on my shop.
What a wonderful world.